ZF boosts Make in India with heavy-duty transmission supply pact. ZF India has signed a deal to supply locally made manual and automatic transmissions for heavy-duty trucks, supporting the Make in India initiative. New DRDO-BEML Pact advances armored core mobility. BEML and DRDO have signed agreements to produce support vehicles and transport systems for the Arjun main battle tank. SECO simplifies tool selection with cloud-based 3D model analysis. SECO Component Guidance is a web-based tool that allows customers to upload 3D part models and receive instant tool recommendations. It uses advanced feature detection technology to analyze user-uploaded models, identifying features like pockets and edges. New skilling program launched to build EV-ready workforce. DGT and Shell India launch EV training program to equip youth with green skills and job-ready certifications. Schneider Electric's AI Copilot sets a new standard for industrial automation. Schneider Electric, with Microsoft, introduces an AI Copilot to boost industrial automation through smarter, faster, and more efficient operations.